Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to check the notifications in Windows. So what is notification? So the notification is a system that allows you to deliver a message to you as a reminder. It is like a reminder message. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are back at my desktop. So all I have to do is click on this notification icon, and now it is showing me all the notifications. See, manage notifications. Now it is showing me all the notifications in my Windows. If I want to turn notifications off from any particular software, I can just click on this manage notifications, and then I will have to scroll down, and I can just click on the slider to turn it off. Then I can click again to turn it on. So you can disable notifications, also enable notifications for any app or any software. So this is what the notification does, how to check the notifications, and how to turn off the notifications for specific apps or programs. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to check, enable and disable notifications for particular apps, programs in Windows. Thank you for watching.